Hello, everyone. My name is Jamie Pearson, and this is my exhibition project for class EEX 6342. For my exhibition project, I decided to create a website outlining the 7 main ideas of the course. In order to create my website, I used an online technology tool called Wix. Wix is an online tool that allows the user to create an interactive and user-friendly website accessible for everyone. This site is intended to combine a variety of information and resources that address critical issues in education. I was inspired to create this website as a resource for educators new and old to the field of exceptional education. Next, I'm going to talk about the 7 main ideas of the course. I'm going to click through each of these tabs on my website. If you would like to receive additional information, please visit my website after viewing this video. First, I'm going to click on Laws and History. Laws and History in Exceptional Education. Below are a bunch of laws and history in exceptional education that paved the way for where we are today. For example, in 1954, Brown versus Board of Education. This was a landmark U.S. Supreme Court case that declared separate schools for blacks and whites is considered unconstitutional. This case ruled that separate is inherently unequal and paved the way for desegregation in public schools. Next, I will talk about inclusive education. Inclusion in UDL. Inclusion thrives on diversity and the idea where exceptional students and general education students learn and grow together. Research shows the benefits of inclusion for all students. Some of the benefits include that students develop a positive image of themselves and others, differentiated instruction for all learners, increased student achievement, and all students learn by being together. In an inclusion classroom, the inclusion teacher might choose to utilize the UDL framework. UDL is a framework used to improve and optimize teaching and learning for all learners. It captures the idea that all children can learn if given the necessary materials to succeed. There are 3 UDL principles, which include engagement, representation, and action and expression. I have also included additional information about UDL and inclusion on this website, as well as a video for you to watch at your own leisure. Next, I will talk about the Florida Standards. Florida Standards and Access Points. Florida Standards are designed for the student to learn the required content necessary for their success. Students should be provided with diverse avenues to access the content and express what they know in the general education curriculum. Access points are designed for the exceptional student who have difficulty accessing the general education curriculum. Access points provide curriculum content on a level that is easily accessible and understandable for all unique learners. I have also talked more about UDL as well as provided a video. I have a video on almost every page outlining and talking in more detail about the information provided on the screen. Next, I will talk about co-teaching. Co-teaching is a tool used in a majority of classrooms in order to ensure that all students can access the curriculum content to their fullest potential. In this strategy, the general education teacher and special education teacher work together to meet the needs of diverse learners. Collaboration between both teachers is critical. In a co-taught classroom, there are a variety of co-teaching models, which include one lead, one support, station teaching, parallel teaching, alternative teaching, and team teaching. All of these co-teaching models require collaboration between both the general education teacher and the special education teacher in order to ensure the success of all learners. Next, I'm going to talk about behavior. Classroom behaviors can be challenging, depends on the age and developmental level of the student. Behavior can greatly impact student learning across all curriculum areas. On this page, I provided a bunch of resources and classroom management techniques that a teacher might need to use when addressing behavior in the classroom. Next, I will talk about STEM education. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. STEM is an interdisciplinary approach that incorporates both math and science, While working, students are asked to build and construct various items that are related to the lesson using technology and problem solving. Lastly, I'm going to talk about technology. Technology can be used to impact student learning. In a technology driven community, teachers must learn the tools and technology available to greatly impact student learning. Below, I have provided a variety of resources that teachers can use and are currently using in their classroom today. I hope you enjoyed my video of my exhibition project and learned a lot about exceptional education and where we have come today. Thank you for watching.